Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Ford Falcon. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 302 Ford, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads, proper oil pan for the 66 Falcon, front sump oil pan, oil pressure extension is installed there. We have the high flow fuel pump on there, gas filter, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines. It's real nice blue Taylor ignition wires with all the wire markers installed. We have the Ford Racing valve covers, roller rocker arms, all fully adjusted and set. Small cap distributor, all set in place. Quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission and balance. You have this real nice serpentine pulley kit on here, 8-rib heavy duty belt on there, 140 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there. I will be installing the belt, that's coming shortly. The engines, all of our engines here at Engine Factory are fully tested. You'll get a video of your engine running in stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Everything will be all dialed in, set, timing set, carburetor adjusted, ready to roll. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.